Hello guys, welcome on our YouTube channel WebTech Pro. Guys, today we discuss about how to change a borderline of the map. First of all, we have a map of India and we have to change the borderline which shows as black is converted into a different color. So how could we change? So let's start today's video. So guys, first of all, you have to go this symbol, click on it, and you can see here the many options available for change. First, you can see here outline width. Outline width is the border line which is black is a width of 0.40 which we can increase or decrease, and outline color which we can change with any color. If I want to change with the red color, click on red and click on OK, and you can see there are change the black with red. Now again come to this symbol and click on this. Now we discuss about this symbols. If you click on any of the symbol, suppose we click on this is change the color of map. Click on OK and you can see the map color is changed. So whatever we want to change it, so click on that. Suppose I want to change like this. Click on this and you can see here is applied and click on OK, and you can see the map is changed according to which we are selected. So this is the borderline changes and symbol changes of any map. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.